Take out the machine and its accessories. Fix the holder for the accessories on the machine. Connect the YAG handpiece to the machine. Remove the black rubber caps on the collector and add the connection. Insert the connector by aligning it with the small holes as a connection until it clicks into place. Connect the Elight handpiece to the machine. Remove the black rubber caps on the connector and add the connection. Insert the connector by aligning it with the small holes as a connection until it clicks into place. Connect the Bipolar RF handpiece to the machine. Remove the black rubber caps on the connector and as a connection. Insert the connector by aligning it with the small holes as a connection until it clicks into place. Put all the handpieces onto the corresponding positions of the holder. Connect the paddle switch to the machine. There are 2 spare fuses which can replace the broken one in the machine. When the fuse in the machine is broken, use a screwdriver to take it out and replace it with the spare one. There are 3 holes at the back of the machine, which are diffusion, overflow, and the drainage, respectively. Please pour pure water or distilled water in before starting the machine. The way to put water in: remove the caps at the diffusion and overflow holes. Connect the hose at the end of the funnel to the diffusion hole by screwing the metal object tight. Let water run into the machine through the funnel. When there's water coming out from the overflow hole, water inside the machine is enough. Disconnect the funnel from the machine. When there's no water coming out from the overflow, screw the nuts tight at the diffusion and overflow hole. Connect the power cord to the socket of the machine. After all are connected properly, insert the key into the lock at the back of the machine and turn it to get the machine started. The welcome interface will appear, and what follows is a function selection interface. Please note, there's an emergency button for turning off the machine at the front side. The treatment performer should wear protective goggles, and the treatment receiver need to wear a pair of black glasses. Press Elight button. Choose proper treatment based on the needs of treatment candidate. Choose a proper piece of glass according to the treatment, and insert it into the handpiece. 480nm glass, suitable for the skin suffering from acne and inflammation. 530nm glass, suitable to remove wrinkles and rejuvenate the skin, especially suitable for dark tone skin and skin suffering from fine lines, wrinkles, and large pores. 640nm glass, suitable to remove wrinkles and body hair. Set parameters. Energy range is 1 to 50. 20 to 40 is recommended. Make adjustment based on the sensation of the treatment receiver or the thickness of body hair. Higher energy level produces a stronger heat sensation. Mode selection of the energy output. Mode 1. Suitable for those with thin and light-colored body hair. Mode 2. Suitable for those with more dark-colored body hair. Mode 3. Suitable for those with thick but light-colored body hair. Choose proper mode based on individual condition. Adjust the cooling energy. Press the snowflake button and the light there goes on. Energy range is 0 to 5. 3 to 5 is recommended. As more lights go on, the cooling energy gets stronger. Make adjustment based on individual sensations. If there are strong sensations or pains, raise the energy level to 4 to 5. Normally, set the energy level at 3 to 4. To prevent the skin damages, please apply gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press Ready button. There will be energy output each time you press the button on the handpiece. Choose Bipolar RF function. Choose proper working head and fix it onto the handpiece according to the size of the target area. Set parameters. Energy range is 1 to 20, 5 to 15 is recommended. Make adjustment based on individual sensations. Higher energy level causes stronger heat sensations. Choose continuous working mode. There are two modes available, namely continuous and pulse. In continuous mode, there's constant energy output, and in pulse mode, there's only short time of energy output with each press of the button on the handpiece, so it is suitable for small-sized area. Adjust the cooling energy. Press the snowflake button and the light there goes on. Energy range is 0 to 5. 3 to 5 is recommended. As more lights go on, the cooling energy gets stronger. Make adjustment based on individual sensations. If there are strong sensations or pains, raise the energy level to 4 to 5. Normally, set the energy level at 3 to 4. To prevent the skin damages, please apply gel evenly to the target area before treatment. Press Ready button and press button on the handpiece when it moves on skin. Choose SHR function. Choose 640nm glass and insert it into the handpiece. Set parameters. 20 to 40 energy level is recommended. Make adjustment based on individual sensations and the thickness of body hair. Higher energy level causes stronger heat sensations. Frequency displays the number of flashes of the laser beams in 1 second. Adjust the cooling energy. Press the snowflake button and the light there goes on. 3 to 5 is recommended. As more lights go on, the cooling energy gets stronger. Make adjustment based on individual sensations. If there are strong sensations or pains, raise the energy level to 4 to 5. Normally, set the energy level at 3 to 4. Use a shaver to remove hair from the target area and apply gel evenly to prevent the skin damages. Press Ready button. There will be energy output each time you press the button on the handpiece. Choose YAG function. Choose proper working head based on the treatment and fix it onto the handpiece. Choose the working head for the blackface treatment. 1064nm suitable to remove moles, birthmark, tattoos, and so on. 532nm suitable to remove freckles, coffee spots, tattoos, permanent makeup around eyebrows, and so on. Set parameters. Energy range is between 100 and 1200. 500 to 1000 is recommended. Make adjustment based on individual sensations. Set the energy at the lowest level if you use it for the first time. When the user adapts, slowly raise the energy level. Higher energy level will give user stronger sensations of sting. The frequency of laser beams range is 0 to 10. 3 to 6 is recommended. Higher frequency of the laser beams means more flashes during a given period of time. Please note, the nano carbon powder should be applied to face and get dry before this treatment. Press Ready button and step on the pedal switch. Each time you step on it, there will be a short period of energy output. You can also step on it all the time. Turn the key to turn off the machine. The way to empty water out of the machine. When you want to get water out of the machine, remove the caps on the overflow and drainage, and water will automatically flow out. When water is emptied, put the caps back and screw them tight. Please note, you need to empty the water out of the machine if you keep it idle for a long period of time. Pour water in when you use it. When it has been 2 months since you used it and there's still water in the machine, you need to empty the remaining water and pour unused water in.